The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Forsyth County in central North Carolina, northeastern Davidson County in central North Carolina, northern Randolph County in central North Carolina, Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line 1:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington, Rangleman, Thomasville. Storms were located along the line. Precipitation near 100%. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina.
Oh my God.
A tornado.
We got some tornado watches.
Windham, Selkirk, North-South Lake Campground. Increasing to 10 to 35 mile. Chance of thunderstorms. Flood watch in effect. Afternoon. Gusts up to 35 knots. Seas 5 to 8. Or internet sources for the latest. Highs around 6. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour in the morning.
Well, I might have missed them all. Looks like they've already relayed, but I did get the, what is it, severe thunderstorm warning? Ah, crap. To Virginia.
In effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in North Carolina, Caswell and Rockingham, and the following counties: in Virginia, Bedford, Franklin, Halifax, Henry, and Pittsylvania, and the following independent cities: in Virginia, Danville and Martinsville. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the...
Double. Got an SVR from KJY85. Now we got an SVR from WXL60. Beep beep. Beep beep.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Appomattox County, northwestern Charlotte County, Campbell County, northeastern Pittsylvania County, northwestern Halifax County, southeastern Bedford County, southeastern Amherst County, the city of Lynchburg, until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nearly to near Chatham, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. At the Charlotte Airport, it was 72 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Might have ourselves a triple.
Number 72 remains in effect until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in North Carolina, Anson, Cabarrus, Davidson, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of... Warning has been issued until 1:45. Damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather.
Linville relay it? I can't tell. Maybe Linville's having issues. Either that or my network is just stupid. Nope. We're only getting double headers. That was a double header severe thunderstorm warning. One from KJY85 out of Mooresville, and one from WXL60 in Roanoke, Virginia. I was hoping for a third one, which would be WXL70 from Charlotte, or again with KJY85 from Mooresville. Oh well.